Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can change the cursor speed of your cursor in Windows 11. If you want your cursor speed to be slowed or you want to make your cursor speed fast, then you need to follow the following steps. First, let's open our settings. Now, once you are in the settings, you need to click on the Bluetooth and Devices tab. Once you are in the Bluetooth and Devices tab, you need to scroll down a bit and here you can see the touchpad option. Now in the touchpad you can see the cursor speed. You can adjust it according to your preferences. If you want a slower cursor speed, you need to simply drag this particular slide bar to a lower level, for example 2, and now you can see that the cursor speed is quite slow. If you want a fast cursor speed, then you can simply drag it to a higher value. Then here now you can see that the cursor is very fast. So now you know how to adjust the cursor speed for your laptop in Windows 11. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.